Hello, Sprouts! Welcome to Wondersprouts Kids TV.
Hello, little learners! Today, we are going to learn 100 easy English words. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and let's have fun learning English together. Are you ready? Let's begin. This is the sun. The sun gives us light and warmth. Repeat after me. Sun. This is the moon. The moon shines at night. Say it with me. Moon. Star. Look at the bright star in the sky. Repeat, star. Sky. The sky is above us. The sky can be blue or cloudy. Say, sky. Cloud. Those white shapes are clouds. Repeat, cloud. Rain. Water falling from the sky is rain. Say it, rain. Wind. The air moving around us is wind. Repeat, wind. Tree. A tree has leaves and branches. Say, tree. Flower. This is a beautiful flower. Repeat, flower. Grass. The green plants on the ground are grass. Say, grass. This is a dog. Dogs are friendly animals. Repeat, dog. This is a cat. Cats say meow. Say, cat. Bird. A bird can fly in the sky. Repeat, bird. Fish. A fish swims in water. Say, fish. Cow. A cow gives us milk. Repeat, cow. Sheep. A sheep has soft wool. Say, sheep. Horse. A horse runs very fast. Repeat, horse. Rabbit. A rabbit hops and jumps. Say, rabbit. Lion. The lion is called the king of the jungle. Repeat, lion. Tiger. A tiger has orange fur and black stripes. Say, tiger. Head. This is your head. Repeat, head. Eyes. You see with your eyes. Say, eyes. Nose. You smell with your nose. Repeat, nose. Mouth. You speak and eat with your mouth. Say, mouth. Ears. You hear with your ears. Repeat, ears. Hands. You hold things with your hands. Say, hands. Feet. You walk with your feet. Repeat, feet. Legs. Your legs help you run and jump. Say, legs. Face. Your face shows your emotions. Say, face. Red. This color is red. Repeat, red. Blue. This color is blue. Repeat, blue. Yellow. This color is yellow. Repeat, yellow. Green. This color is green. Repeat, green. Orange. This color is orange. Repeat, orange. Purple. This color is purple. Repeat, purple. Pink. This color is pink. Repeat, pink. Black. This color is black. Repeat, black. White. This color is white. Repeat, white. Brown. This color is brown. Repeat, brown. 1. This number 1. Repeat, 1. 2. This number 2. Repeat, 2. 3. This number 3. Repeat, 3. 4. This number 4. Repeat, 4. This number 5. Repeat, 5. 6. This number 6. Repeat, 6. 7. This number 7. Repeat, 7. 8. This number 8. Repeat, 8. 9. This number 9. Repeat, 9. 10. This number 10. Repeat, 10. Run. I can run very fast. Repeat, run. Jump. Let's jump high. Say, jump. Walk. We walk slowly together. Repeat, walk. Eat. I eat healthy food every day. Say, eat. Drink. I drink water when I am thirsty. Repeat, drink. Read. I read a book with my teacher. Say, read. Write. I write with a pencil in my notebook. Repeat, write. Sleep. At night, I sleep in my bed. Say, sleep. Laugh. We laugh when something is funny. Repeat, laugh. Play. Children play games with their friends. Say, play. Apple. This is an apple. Apples are sweet and healthy. Repeat, apple. Banana. This is a banana. Bananas are yellow and soft. Say, banana. Bread. This is bread. We eat bread for breakfast. Repeat, bread. Milk. This is milk. Milk helps our bones grow strong. Say, milk. Rice. This is rice. Rice is a healthy food. Repeat, rice. Egg. This is an egg. Eggs give us energy. Say, egg. Cake. This is a cake. Cake is sweet and yummy. Repeat, cake. Juice. This is juice. Juice is made from fruits. Say, juice. Water. This is water. We drink water every day. Repeat, water. Soup. This is soup. Soup is warm and tasty. Say, soup. Big. The elephant is big. Say it with me, big. Small. The ant is small. Repeat, small. Hot. The sun is hot. Say, hot.
Cold. Ice is cold. Repeat. Cold. Fast. The cheetah runs fast. Say, fast. Slow. The turtle walks slow. Repeat. Slow. Happy. She feels happy when she plays. Say, happy. Sad. He feels sad when he loses his toy. Repeat. Sad. Full. The glass is full of water. Say, full. Empty. The glass is empty. Repeat.
Book. This is a book. We read stories in a book. Repeat, book. Pencil. This is a pencil. We write with a pencil. Say, pencil. Pen. This is a pen. A pen writes with ink. Repeat, pen. Bag. This is a bag. We keep our books in a bag. Say, bag. Desk. This is a desk. We study at a desk. Repeat, desk. Chair. This is a chair. We sit on a chair. Say, chair. Teacher. This is a teacher. A teacher helps us learn. Repeat, teacher. Student. This is a student. A student goes to school to learn. Say, student. School. This is a school. Children go to school every day. Repeat, school. Class. This is a class. Students learn together in a class. Say, class. Home. This is my home. My home is a happy place. Repeat, home. Family. This is my family. My family loves me. Say, family. Friend. This is my friend. Friends play together. Repeat, friend. Mother. This is my mother. My mother takes care of me. Say, mother. Father. This is my father. My father helps me learn. Repeat, father. Brother. This is my brother. My brother plays with me. Say, brother. Sister. This is my sister. My sister is my friend. Repeat, sister. Day. This is the day. The sun shines in the day. Say, day. Night. This is the night. The moon shines at night. Repeat, night. Love. This is love. Love means caring for others. Say, love. Amazing job! Today you learned 100 easy English words. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep learning with Wondersprout Kids. See you in the next lesson.
Thanks for watching Wondersprout Kids TV. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more fun, stories, and learning every week. Bye-bye, little sprouts.